Hi, I am S. Vigneshwaran. I am studying final year Electronics Communication Engineering at Dheeraj Lagadi College of Technology. My project is modern digital eye-based assisting device for visually challenged persons. This project is used for main purposes to useful the blind persons to detecting the object in a way, to detect the object in a main way. Okay. This process was implemented by two sections. One is transmission section and another one is receiver section. These two sections are combined together and to place in the blind person shoes and dress and anything materials etc. That persons are used in the materials. Main objective of this project is to detect the object in a way and to intimate by the user via speech information to user. That is implement and possible by the RF transmitter and receiver and using the advanced microcontroller and also possible by low cost materials. The main purpose of this project was to use this project to blind persons. In our project in-depth details are continued with my colleague P. Murugasamy.
Hi, I am Murugasamy. Now I explain my project. My project mainly two sections. One is transmitter section and receiver sections. Now I explain transmitter sections. In transmitter section we have using MSP 430 microcontroller, an ultrasonic sensor, an oscillator circuit, and power supply, then RF transmitter. In power supply sections, we have to do microcontroller 430 5 volt, and then RF transmitter 5 volt, and then ultrasonic sensor 5 volt, and then oscillator 5 volt. In oscillator section, to generate the 2 kHz frequency range and give the output ultrasonic sensor, and ultrasonic sensor to detect the upcircle and give to the output to the MSP 430. And MSP 430 get the input signal from the ultrasonic sensor and to enable the transmitter sections.
Myself, I am R. Pradap. Now I am going to explain our receiver section. RF receiver is receive the 440 kilobits of the RF transmitter. Power supply section is common for the RF receiver and voice recording. Voice recording IC is storing storage purpose. Then voice recording signal going to the speaker. Speaker is enable or play the speaker.
This is the general transmission section of our project. It consists of power supply and oscillating circuit and ultrasonic sensor and the MSP 430 microcontroller and then transmitter connector. Now I am going to explain each parts of transmission section. This is the transmission section of our project. It already shown in block diagram. It consists of power supply unit and oscillator unit, ultrasonic sensor, MSP 430 microcontroller and then transmitter. Okay. The first section is power supply. The power supply unit gives the 5 volt and 12 volt voltage to each oscillator and as well as a microcontroller. The general oscillator is 2 kHz frequency generator oscillator we are using to our project. The output of oscillator circuit gives the supply to the ultrasonic sensor in trigger pin. Then the sensor sends the trigger signal. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the ultrasonic sensor. It covers the distance 3 cm to 4 meters. Its frequency range is 40 kHz. Now the oscillator gives the supply to the ultrasonic sensor in trigger pin with 2 kHz supply, frequency supply. Then the sensor can sense the distance according to the object was detected. According to object was detected, the echo pin was connected to the microcontroller port. If the object was detected, the LED of output connected port was getting low. If the ultrasonics in a path without any object, the LED getting always high. If the object was detected in a path in the ultrasonic sensor, the output of the sensor goes to the ultrasonic to microcontroller. It is getting slow. That is, the green LED goes. According to the normal section, the ultrasonic sensor the distance in a path. There is no object. The MSP 430 input was the output of connected a green LED was getting high. If the object is detected in a path of the ultrasonic sensor, the output of the LED of microcontroller getting low, that the low output signal was going to the transmitter unit. The transmitter then, the low signal output was connected to the transmitter unit. The transmitter can detect the signal and then transmit to the receiver portion. Now the transmission unit was over. Now we are going to discuss about the receiving section. The power supply gives the each voltage to both receiver as well as the voice recording IC. The receiver receives the signal. It sends the data to the voice recorder. The receiver receives the signal from transmitter. The receiver sends the data to the cable via the cable to voice recording IC. So APR 9600 voice recording IC placed. The getting the signal to the voice recorder, it get placed to the speaker, that is user. Pause.